Hello lovely people, a special season for special opportunities. Maybe Christmas is coming faster than it should be, or maybe we're bringing to you Christmas offer right now. The year is fast coming to an end, and we have a lot down here at the Elegant Empire International just for you. This is an exclusive opportunity for fresh and aspiring actors, music artists, TV presenters, and models. Remember, don't let this year run to an end without achieving even if it's one big thing. I and my team will be waiting right here in the office to welcome you when you come around. See you when you come around. Peace out.